Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, I just came back home now. It is about 11:27. Yeah, you get a little tipsy too. What the hell? Anyway guys, so you know how American just got like American Idol competition? Well, Guyana had a Guyana talent search competition. It had like about 500 contestants, and each week they used to like eliminate different contestants and so eventually they eliminated till they reached the top 10. So tonight now was the finals for the top 10, and all the contestants saying or do whatever talent they had, and they were, what the hell am I saying, guys? I'm literally high. Oh my god, I mixed up my words. Blame it on the alcohol, the wine, guys. Anyway, so I went to video the finals tonight, and I thought that the competition started at 8 o'clock. But apparently the competition starts 7 o'clock. So when I reached there after 8, they actually, all 10 of the contestants already had finished singing. So that's the fear. I didn't get to video that. But I did video the ending part with all of the contestants coming together, singing beautiful song. And you know, everybody come together as one, like one people, one nation, one destiny. And when the competition finished, we went upstairs at the National Cultural Centre, and I had some stuff to drink and some cutters to eat as well. So I'm just going to show you guys a little of that. But like I say, it's not really the competition because your girl reached late. So I hope you guys gonna like this video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. I hardly could keep my eyes open. Alright guys, so enjoy this little vlog at the Culture Center. Just enjoy. I can't remember what video now too. I don't know. Enjoy! Oh, and if you guys want to see the full competition, you guys can go to the Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sports Facebook page. I will leave the link in the description box down below. All right. Tonight they had 10 winners. They just didn't have one winner. They had 10 winners. So all 10 of the contestants won 500,000. Yes, all 10 of them won 500,000. I'm so happy for them.
Sammy, I love you, my brother. Oh my goodness. Presents. That is a lovely song, and it blesses us every time that this evening we are so grateful to inform the public that all 10 are winners. That's right. Come on, I need to hear a proper applause here tonight. All 10 are winners. We are incredibly pleased to hear that, and thank you so much to the Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sport. And don't forget what they are winning tonight. Let me just let you know. So each winner receives a grant of $500,000. Congratulations to the top 10. The top 10. They are super excited, jumping up backstage. They are loving this. A grant of goosebumps. A grant of $500,000 per person.
Wow.
Come on. You stop doing that? That is amazing. We can burn bright enough, and the sun cause this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I come. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Good evening, everybody. My name is Guyana. It's been a pleasure performing for you today at the concert. I love you all. Everyone is still here. I want to say back to the trip back to the sport. We're taking you on this journey. Love you all. Thank you everyone for your support. Hi, my name is Tatiana, and thank you for supporting me today at the Thompson Church. I love you guys.
Hey, my name is Dudhnath, and thank you for your support of the Guyana Talent Search. I love you all.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Certala, and I want to thank the Ministry of Coaching and Sports for giving us this opportunity. That's my fun. But I thank you for your votes, for tuning in, for sharing, for supporting me throughout this concert. Oh my God, that's my contestants. God, thank you. Worthy of talent. Oh my God, thank you everyone. We are one, Guyana. Thank you, Guyana, for supporting me. I love you all. My name is Tanisha Patterson. Thank you all for your love and support, and we are one, Guyana.
This is Cyrus Austin. I'd just like to thank you all for supporting the children's journey. And remember, we are one Guyana.
Oh, okay. It's not good, it's not good. Okay, heels. You can't wear heels at all.
It's comfortable, right? But it's just not new. No time, it's good.
Oh, okay. Oh, buy this one the arc, alright. This one had a bat in it.
You want to buy some?
So there is some going up. Culture Center steps.
Wrap the show off, eh?
All right.
You get it right.
I never get back of guys here.
Oh God. Good night. Good night. I think drink. Oh, this vegetarian? Excuse me. Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I offer you a beverage? She's having one. Would you like one?
Moscato?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks. God, look at me now. I can hardly breathe. This is what I'm getting, guys. I have some roti curry mix sandwich, pastries, chicken puff, wings, stuffed egg, and fried fish. Drinking some moscato and water.